All right, this is Luke, and I'm gonna attempt to put this door handle back on a 2017 Honda Civic EX hatchback. And I took off the handle. I put the dust cap back in its place. It's rubber. I need to remove that. I'm gonna grab these plastic gaskets. I'm gonna make sure that there are two tabs on either item, and just need to make sure that they're well seated. The reason why I took the door handles off in the first place was to vinyl wrap my car in the, if not actually vinyl wrap, using the protection film. So I covered the door. I'm going to take the long end and the handle, slide it in. We'll slide forward. And take the end piece, insert it into the door. Okay, the hole lines up. And get your 10mm extension. Line it up. Carefully line up the bolt. And tighten it. Put the ratchet handle on, not much torque involved. Hope it helps. Have a good day.